What's up, what's up, what's up? Just pulled up to Audio Sound. So get her a new system. What do you guys think I should get? Comment below. Thinking about two gel audio W7s. It already has a blow through. What do you guys think? Some custom shit. My airbags right now are fucking, they don't work. It already has a blow through. This is a temporary one they made. Had a bigger blow through. Let's go check it out. Let's see what they recommend. We're right here with Anthony.
What's up,
he's
guys?
gonna show us. Well, he's gonna tell us
Alright.
a little bit what we should get on that truck.
For the
RST.
what do you guys call it?
RST, which is
Charlie called it something else.
and then MBS.
They sell the mamalonas or
La
something?
Mamalona.
All right, these bad boys right here are what we're gonna go with. These are W7s, but we're gonna go with, this is 12. We're gonna go with 13. A 13 is a lot bigger, so just so you know, it's 13 inches, 2 more inches bigger.
Yeah.
This, I'd say we go 2 of these.
Please.
Custom box with a see-through. Also, you're gonna be the box on the inside is gonna get designed too. So like the braces that they need to hold these shits, maybe do like a nice custom of that.
So what's the difference between these and the Sundowns?
So Sundown is SPL. SPL is just bass. Like they just want a loud bass. That's it. This is quality. So this one can control more musically. Like it's more musical.
Yeah.
So it sounds good. But the other one, Sundown, they're just like bass head shit. Like one note. That's it.
Alrighty.
This one sounds better. That's why a lot of people are like, oh, that's quality. Versus the other one is like it's just what you want to fucking show off. You just play your music.
Pull up and boom.
Yeah.
And what do you recommend to go with power?
So to run them, I would do this bad boy. One for each woofer. 1,500 watts.
If you guys want to know the prices, contact him. Because I'm sure you guys are going to ask how much of those are running.
And the DMs.
What's your Instagram?
It's Audio Systems.
Audio Systems.
Yep. That's that. So one to each. And then for the vocals, what are we gonna do with the highs?
No, whatever you recommend. This one with some LED bars, like a light, red light to match the RST color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some nice panels that can hold everything.
Whatever you recommend for the
voice?
Yeah, for the voice.
For the voice highs, we're gonna go with probably something like these ones to match it. So this is the 4-channel. This is the 1-channel. And then Junior knows what he can do for the. What can you do to make these like look sick?
An amper. We know where we want them, right? We want them right there
Are
on
they
the
gonna
back.
go on the back of the bed?
No, we're gonna make them right behind the
If they do go in the back of the bed, I mean, I'll just take out the cover and send it to get painted again, the bed, because you know how my fucking tunnel cover fucked up my paint.
Okay, we could put them also in the back. It don't really matter.
What do you think?
Both spots are good.
Take out the tunnel cover? It's because if we take out the tunnel cover, it's gonna take out the look, huh?
I think you should take out the tunnel cover and do like the rope thing.
Let's just cut a hole in the tunnel cover and make it see through.
Yeah, that could work too.
Damn.
Yeah.
So we have to paint the truck.
So it's gonna be 2 of these,
2 of these.
2 of these.
Probably 3 of these.
and 3 of these.
Yeah. So it's,
Damn, my pocket. God damn.
Gotta go.
well, depending on how many speakers we're gonna run. So we want
What speakers are you
1 per
planning?
channel. It's gonna be loud. Let's say we do the jail Marines.
For what? Outside?
Inside or outside?
No, mats.
The mats.
Yeah.
Mats Audio is a pro audio system, so it's like a DJ. So you could be playing loud as fuck everywhere.
Oh, my app gave out.
Oh, what?
It gave
what
out.
did I tell you? What did I
They
tell
were
you?
fucking put me the negrada, so it fucking burned. Yeah, I was like, oh dang. Probably that's why it wasn't loud enough. Alright, so we're gonna go with these speakers.
These speakers are pro audio, so they're just gonna be, they can scream louder, like way louder than normal cars, like normal speakers, and distance wise. So like when you're pulling up, they'll hear you coming from like blocks away.
Looks away.
So they have these. We'll probably put 6 of them. We'll go show you Anthony's car, so you can actually even hear them if you want to hear them.
Alright, let's go see around for the guys, for the subscribers.
And I got some. I'll put. I have a USB with copyright free music.
Where that magic happens, huh?
This is the magic, yeah. If you guys follow my YouTube, you'll see these guys over there. Right now they're doing a double sunroof.
Double sunroof. I need my sunroof too, también fixed. My sunroof.
listen to the music. Here, you wanna plug it?
You found the USB?
I have no music.
Oh, all right. So what are you doing right here?
This one.
Custom bed.
How long is this staying here?
This will be done today.
Just for a show and then.
Oh yeah.
scrapping
So
it?
we're gonna have this just for the one of the shows that they're going to, and then we're starting a new one.
What's inside? What's inside?
215-inch massive audio. The Hippo XL.
You guys also do razors, right? Not only
day.
cars, not only
This
trucks.
is all day.
All day.
All right, so these are mats. These are for audio. So these are 8-inch speakers that are in the door with 3 horn tweeters. So that thing is gonna scream.
Whose trick is this?
This is Anthony Silvia. Salvia.
Yeah. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. I think he's only one in Cali right now that's gonna be rocking 28 by 16.
28 by 16. Only guy in California. A sick ass center console. It's
Check
gonna
it
be
out.
floating when we're done. So it'll look good. Really want that.
You're gonna turn on to give us a little test.
Recording here?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna show you guys kind of like how loud this can get. I know you guys can't hear it because they're on the YouTube. Put some headphones on, and then you can see the lighting.
It's all custom made, right?
Yeah, we just put this back together right now. Bam. So you guys can get an idea.
Imagine at night. Damn.
Oh no, at nighttime, fuck.
Oh, this is cool right here. Little details.
Okay, so these lines match the seats.
All right.
Get it? That's
Yeah,
gonna
'cause
be the
look
whole
at-
float.
Let's get it from over here.
Is that the volume numbers?
I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. You're home with my phone and won't leave me alone. I'm a Ziva Blank, call him a Patron. I'm on call him a Patron, 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 call him a Patron. I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. If you're home.
Not with the door closed.
The object is and it's not even tuned. The settings are all the way down. The gains are down. Nothing's adjusted, and it's just like, damn. He's gonna get 412s as well.
412?
In the back. It's gonna be the blow through.
How big are you gonna do the blow through?
Probably the whole thing. That
whole
whole
thing?
wall. You see
Yeah.
the wall? The whole shit. That whole wall will be open.
Yeah.
It's like,
¿Y cómo está esta? Probably do like RC, simple on the
yeah,
RC.
we can do that.
The RC.
I'll be safe.
Let me show you why we can do anything that you guys think about. Anything in your mind, we bring it to life.
Oh, you guys got the.
So this machine right here is a laser. It's a laser machine. Allows us to put any logos, any characters, whatever your text. We design it there. This other machine is a CNC, so it helps us cut out panels and helps us cut out anything we want to make it look perfect. Like the cuts are perfect. See, like this trims was made with the laser. Those right there are iPad dash mounts. So if we want to do like a flush mount in your car, we just use those. This thing here, this is the laser did this. So we can do all that stuff. Pretty pimp. So those are the first things we made with the laser, with the CNC. Those boxes.
Oh, boxes. There's a little sample right there.
Yeah.
pretty dope.
This is the dash that's gonna be on his. So
Oh, this
these are
one?
acrylics, and this is gonna light up. It's gonna be sick as fuck.
Oh, then you guys do dash too.
Yeah.
Damn.
So that's gonna be on the top of the dash, and
Yeah.
then it'll be colored in that color he has.
What do you guys think? Put an RST symbol right here in the middle,
Yeah.
glowing.
Fire.
Damn. And what is this machine?
This one right here cuts the wood, like, you know, there's two, like this is really big for us to cut on the polisher, so this goes down.
I didn't know that machine existed.
We got our own welding station, so we can weld stuff together. So, like, once we get to an idea what we want to do, Junior can show you like a rendering or what it looks like, and you put it on.
I'll give you mine though first, and then you guys work it out. You work yours. You know?
Just give us your idea.
Yeah, my ideas, and then.
He'll put it to life.
Alrighty.
Talk about it, see your truck since the truck is here and stuff, and you're here,
All right, let's go.
so we could work something out. Is it open?
Yeah, it's open.
All right. What are your ideas?
So we're definitely gonna do a dash, the door panels.
Okay.
The door panels. We're gonna keep it. I'm thinking about keeping the carbon fiber too, because that's the original thing about the RSTs.
Okay.
This, and then keep it this color too, or no?
Yeah, I mean you already have it incorporated in the truck, so might as well let's keep it.
And then, también I'll mention it to him too. My sunroof, it don't work. I don't know what's wrong with it. Definitely, we're gonna take off the leather, no, the
Yeah.
alligator skin.
Yeah, let's get rid of it. You
Yeah,
want to get rid of it or you want to leave it? Like,
The sunroof?
some
What do you mean?
new one? No, the alligator.
Oh yeah, just take it off, no? Just take it off and just leave it sweat black. The sweat black. Yeah, sweat black.
Okay.
And
So I'm guessing you
También.
want to get rid of it here too.
yeah, también.
Okay.
Right here, you could do like the custom RST or whatever.
Yeah, we can do that.
And then just mount the speakers right here. Do the custom, así como estabas haciendo que la blanca.
How many speakers you're gonna do?
No, well, whatever you guys think is gonna sound dope.
Okay.
How many speakers do you think you should run on the doors?
I always try to blend whatever subs you're trying to do.
Yeah.
If you're doing too many subs, then we'll go more speakers. If you're doing not so many subs, we'll do some speakers. So we're not.
We're gonna go 213 7s, so probably like 3 6s and 2 tweets.
Yeah, you can do that.
And then right here,
We can
aquí
put
que va
the
aquí.
3 6s right here, and then the tweeters on the dash.
Ahí que quieres?
No, whatever you guys.
Oh, okay.
No más quiero like que vea la gente. Damn.
Yeah.
He wants the RST.
This has to get rewrapped, bro.
No, I don't want rap. I don't like rap.
So you want?
If anything, no, I'm gonna have to get a new one, no, because that's just cracked.
It's gonna keep cracking on the new one, bro.
Yeah.
These have that problem. So
Yeah.
And then with the
If
amount of
you're
bass
gonna
we have,
paint
it's
it-
gonna shatter.
if anything, get the new one and paint it, bro.
Ain't it?
If you're gonna get it painted.
Yeah.
But the problem with paint, you're
Yeah.
gonna have a shitload of glare.
It's cracked right here.
You're gonna tint it? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because probably así como the metal, the sheet metal you guys had, and then the little lines on the white one.
Yeah.
I want something probably like a RST, that symbol right there on the dash,
Yeah.
the RST.
Yeah.
Probably like right here glowing.
Right here?
Yeah, right in the middle.
Yeah,
So when
I
it's
can do
aired out, they can see it.
that. I can do that.
Okay. Blow through.
Yeah, for sure the blow
Yeah.
needs to be bigger.
Yeah, we're gonna redo that. So this panel is what we're gonna redo. Are you gonna do a center console or are you gonna keep it like this?
What do you think?
There's a lot of things you could do. You could do the center console just for an armrest, so it could look completely custom. You could do the center console to add the iPad. You could do the center console to incorporate all the airbag stuff in there. You could do the center console to incorporate this and all the amps.
Yeah, because I think I'm gonna go with that. Well, if this video gets 500 thumbs up, I'll get the double din, the 10 inch, right? Was it the 10?
We'll go create
Right.
500 counts.
Yeah. So
Alright.
make sure to hit that thumbs up.
Definitely. And then what else you want to do?
So we're gonna go with the tunnel cover off, right?
Let it cover off or on?
We're gonna take it off because it gets fucking on my bed. Fucking brand new paint.
Yeah.
Fucked it up.
Okay.
The only problem is like
How are you gonna drive this truck? In the rain? Is this
No.
a stroll truck? What's the plan?
Strictly show truck. I have in my garage to keep them in.
Okay, so strictly show truck. We still gotta make it a little weatherproof. I know when you go to the show, sometimes it can rain.
Yeah. I can paint the beds from the inside too.
One truck next.
Yeah.
One truck next.
Materials. I know you like a lot of paint. Are you gonna do something to contrast it?
Oh yeah, you could go all the way
Like some
down.
black leather or something like that?
The interior?
On interior and exterior. Like right here too. It has to flow. Whatever is back here has to be inside too.
Yeah, también paint. Everything painted.
So everything paint, or you're gonna add a little contrast to it?
No, whatever you think.
I would do a little contrast, either black paint or black leather. Something like that.
Yeah, black paint. Black
Even
paint.
some aluminum. Like some aluminum color. Why? Your
Yeah.
rates.
Yeah, there we go. Some billet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it all ties in with the truck, and it was built for a purpose. You get me?
Yeah.
That's the whole thing. You gotta make it flow all together.
Yeah, definitely.
On the bed, how far are you willing to go? Are you gonna build the doghouse back here or no?
The doghouse. Whatever you think. Whatever you.
Because if you're gonna build the doghouse right here to lower the truck all the way to the floor,
Yeah.
then it's better to do that first, so I can know how big the box is.
No, I'm gonna keep it like this.
You're gonna
I'm
keep
not
it
gonna
like
cut it
this.
because I don't wanna. The value of it is gonna go down, you know. If I cut it.
Okay. Alright, sounds good.
Yeah.
So, how big, how much space can I use right here, bro?
As much as you. I mean, whatever you think, just let me know.
Okay.
I just want people to be like, damn, you know.
Let me show you the W7s we're doing right now so you can get an idea of the box. Can you get the iPad? I got that iPad.
Oh damn! Watch out!
So this is a charger that I'm gonna be working on next week or like a couple weeks. So the charger has a lot of red carpet and then the black vinyl. The white right here is the silver. Why? Because we're gonna go over here. So the silver, the red, and the black. So it all blends together.
Close
No,
it.
but my has knobs too.
Okay, perfect. We can make it. Let's go to the other. Man, we're gonna put this carbon fiber too. Fuck it.
See how it has the knobs? Engine right here.
And first place in state champion, and then third place
Third
was
place
worlds.
worlds.
So everybody went to Kentucky to compete. They got third place.
And
Wow.
yesterday we took Riverside, Harbor City. We took first for Street SQ and second for SQ Mod.
SQ is sound quality. That's what it stands for. Sound quality.
I was gonna say it was the design. Damn, pretty dope. Come check them out, guys.
Sorry, my shoulder floor is there. We just received shipments. Everything's taken out. But no, yeah.